trust the universe and soften into what is already unfolding. You don't need to push tonight. You don't need to chase. Just breathe. Just open. Ask quietly, do you know what I want? Do you know where it is? And you will feel a tiny shift inside you, a loosening, a small sense of ease. Your inner guidance begins waking up, a gentle impulse, a warm thought, a sudden idea that feels lighter than the rest. Follow that. Over the next hours, you will see pieces of what you desire, appearing slowly, a sign, a message, a moment of clarity, a soft reassurance that you're heading in the right direction. Nothing you want is being denied. Your request was heard immediately. Your energy has already reached where it needed to go. Let go of the habits that slow your blessings. Doubt, comparison, overthinking. You don't need them anymore. All you need now is openness, softness, receptivity. The universe heard you the first time. The path is already adjusting. Your manifestation is already moving. Tonight, trust the shift.